The ketogenic diet, commonly known as keto, has gained widespread attention for its approach to high-fat and low-carbohydrate consumption, which encourages the body to enter a state of ketosis. In ketosis, the body switches from using carbohydrates to fats as its primary fuel source, leading to efficient fat burning and energy production. This process not only aids in weight loss but also stabilizes blood sugar levels, which can improve overall mental clarity and physical energy. The diet's rise in popularity is attributed to its effectiveness and the dramatic results observed by those who adhere to its guidelines. The ketogenic diet offers a myriad of health benefits that extend beyond simple weight loss. By significantly reducing carbohydrate intake and replacing it with fat, the body boosts its metabolic rate and burns fat more efficiently. This process not only aids in sustained weight loss but also enhances overall energy levels, making individuals feel more active and alert. Moreover, the diet helps in stabilizing blood sugar levels, which is crucial for individuals with diabetes or insulin resistance. Additionally, emerging research suggests potential benefits for neurological health, indicating that the ketogenic diet may positively impact conditions like epilepsy and Alzheimer's disease. Embarking on a ketogenic diet begins with understanding the crucial macronutrient ratios, high fats, moderate proteins, and very low carbohydrates. Fats should be sourced from high-quality foods like avocados, nuts, and olive oil to ensure the body receives healthy fats for optimal function. Protein intake must be moderate to maintain muscle mass without disrupting ketosis, while carbohydrate consumption is drastically reduced to about 5% of your total intake, focusing on leafy greens and non-starchy vegetables. Familiarize yourself with keto-friendly foods and those to avoid, such as sugary treats and high-carb fruits, to successfully adhere to a keto lifestyle. Adopting the ketogenic diet can introduce several challenges, including the keto flu, a common side effect when starting the diet due to the body's adjustment to a low-carb intake. Symptoms like fatigue and irritability are temporary and manageable. Maintaining the diet requires careful planning, especially when dining out, where options might be limited. To handle social situations and cravings, it's crucial to plan ahead by checking restaurant menus online or carrying keto-friendly snacks. Additionally, a supportive social circle that understands your dietary choices can make managing these challenges smoother and help maintain your commitment to the keto lifestyle. Successfully navigating a ketogenic lifestyle involves thorough meal planning and a commitment to consistency. Start by delineating meal plans that incorporate a variety of keto-friendly foods to prevent monotony and ensure balanced nutrition. Consistent adherence to the keto macronutrient ratios maximizes the effectiveness of the diet. Tracking your progress, whether through apps or a food diary, is crucial in understanding what works best for your body and making necessary adjustments. Viewing keto as a long-term lifestyle change rather than a temporary diet can help in sustaining motivation and achieving lasting health benefits.